If your Honda Pilot or Acura MDX is having problems with the rear seat fold down, not operating correctly, when you pull up on this handle, you can see nothing happens, but you still have access to slide the seat forward. You just can't lay it all the way down. So what I've done here is I've removed this trim cover by popping up on it with a plastic wedge, pry on the left side, pry on the right side at the same time, and pull it. This should snap out of there. And down inside, you're going to notice the cables have broke off this cheap plastic release hinged part. So what we're going to try to do, without taking the seat back off, which can be done very easily, you can see there's just a few clips that hold that on, and these cables run down inside here and they release an actuator down inside under this arm. I don't want to pull these hog ring clips off, and I don't want to take this fake leather off to dig all that out. So what I'm going to try and attempt is sliding these over and removing these screws to pull this out and see if we can fix this a quicker way. You can reach down inside of this release and with a pair of needle nose pliers slide both of those brackets to the inside to allow them to release. Take your two screws out and this piece will pop out.